two mega cap tech stocks are getting trounced today. Both Alphabet and Tesla on pace for their worst day in more than a year and are dragging down the major averages. The reason here is that investors are just freaked out by their spending on AI. Next guest says, don't worry. Dan Ives of Yorkville, Ives Co joins us. I mean, that's pretty much your mantra. Don't worry, be happy. But in this case, let's talk about Tesla, number one. I mean, this is a company, I was just reading, its market cap is bigger than the next 36 biggest automakers put together. Is it just time for it to come down to size?
You heard that on Power Lunch.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Look, the reality, I mean, they're not a car company. When you think about it from an investor perspective, this is much more about AI, disruptive tech. And I think when you look at Tesla, look, the issue here continues to be, and same with Alphabet, CapEx investment for, let's say in Tesla, for physical AI, when it comes to autonomous, when it comes to Optimus, but you're not seeing in the near term, and that continues to be this gut check moment.
The stock is down more than 14%. Does this mean that investors just don't buy it?
I think patience is wearing thin, right? Because from an investor perspective, if you put up the CapEx numbers, but then you show it, they'll get benefit of the doubt. And I'd say Alphabet is a different story relative to the type of growth that they're showing on cloud. I think for Tesla, this is not just right around the corner. You have to ramp up robotaxis. You have to show the physical AI story. Look, that's all that Musk is doing. And I think there is a view here, too, where with SpaceX, and now, of course, Tesla, Musk, the two golden childs that he has, where this ultimately heads. I just continue to view it that we are still in the third inning of AI revolution, and this is just the beginning of those stories.
We'll get to AI in a second, but to follow up on that, does Dan Ives of Yorkville Ives, by the way, think that Tesla and SpaceX ultimately merge?
And there's over an 80% chance by the end of 2020, by the end of next year, that SpaceX ultimately acquires Tesla. It's something
you're more bullish than the most bullish of Kalshi traders right now. Kalshi has those odds 10% before November 2026, rising up to 63% that it happens before 2028. Here's my question. Do you think that all these Tesla diehard champions always are starting to shift toward SpaceX? That's who they love right now?
Yeah, I wouldn't. I mean, I think some, which are your children do you love the best, right? So you could still have both of them. But I think from an investor perspective, it comes down to, for Tesla, the AI story is the future. It's not about deliveries, but you have to ultimately build it out. You have to have more cities from robotaxi. And Musk, on the conference call, I think there was definitely some caution, right? And I think maybe in some ways that's smart, but that's why the stock's reacting accordingly.
$1.3 trillion. I feel like I should do like the Dr. Evil Pinky.
Go do it.
When we do that.
Nobody's stopping you.
New movie coming out, by the way, apparently, which is the spending estimate on AI from these companies. Alphabet today saying they're going to spend more. Stock's down a little bit. In the previous hour, I posited to a guest that if they would have cut their spending on AI, the stock would be down a lot more than it is today. What's your take?
This is an arms race that's playing out, and we're only 15% of the way through. The reality
Will they ever make the money back on the spending? They have to.
I don't.
If they don't, there's no reason to spend it.
I don't think there's even a question. And to some extent, the fact that they continue to spend on CapEx, and you'll see that with Microsoft, you see it with Amazon, the rest of the hyperscalers, it's because enterprises, they're lining up on the use cases. The consumer piece, you've seen Apple, that ultimately is just starting. So it speaks to the point. This is Vegas, 1955, building the Strip. I mean, no, that's essentially where they are. So for these companies, they will ultimately get on the chin in terms of as the stocks, but they cannot be short-sighted relative to this CapEx arms race that's playing out.
Vegas, if you didn't show profit, somebody was getting kneecapped. Intel reports after the bell today. What are your thoughts on Intel?
It's all about the demand stories showing, whether it's chips and Intel, whether it's hyperscalers, because what that continues to speak to, it's our view, this story is accelerating relative to demand, what enterprises are seeing. Whether it's memory, whether it's chips, or whether it's hyperscalers, that's what investors focus on, despite obviously what you're seeing today in the market.
You're saying not everybody got out of the desert alive.
They keep discovering bodies as the water goes down. So yeah, that's what.
But you had great Sinatra, Dean Martin, everything.
And now you have the Sphere. Your point is they wanted the Sphere in the 1950s, but they couldn't have it. They had to wait for the investment.
If you told someone Sphere was coming 55, what would they have said?